I want to show you one of the things I found for the front porch to help me remember my daughter that I lost. Let me back up. Remember, I've got a small stoop, but this kind of reminds me of Stephanie. It's not too heavy, and the base fits on the width of the rail. You see it, and it looks good for folks coming this direction. The back of it is just as detailed. It just reminds me of Stephanie. Just at peace amongst flowers. Maybe I could put some, not really deep enough, won't hold enough water for a permit, but I'll put something in there. But it's barren out here right now. It's not time to be planting things. But, so that is thinking of Stephanie.